Good morning. You're inquiring about rolling over superannuation from your previous employer. Can I have your account number?
是12345678，最近换工作有了2个退休金账户，想合并成一个。
Having multiple super accounts means paying duplicate fees, which eats into your balance. Consolidating is a smart decision. Do you know the fund name and number for the old account?
知道前公司名，但不知道基金名。
You can search for Lost Super through your MyGov account. The ATO keeps records of all super accounts. With your TFN, it will show everything.
.合并前需要确认什么？
Yes, a few important things. Check whether the old fund has any insurance attached. Consolidating could cancel that insurance. Also compare fees and investment performance to decide which fund to keep. .
不知道有没有保险？怎么查啊？
Check the latest annual statement from the old fund, or call them directly. Many funds automatically combine when there's only one employer contributing. .
好信息，先确认再合并。
One more thing, consider your investment options. If you're young, a growth option suits you. If you're closer to retirement, a balanced or conservative option is more appropriate. What option are you currently on?
不知道，从没查过。回去查2个基金再联系。